Bukas na ang 11/11 sale. Time na para mag-stock up tayo ng spices from Spice Up para ma-level up natin ang ating home cooking. This 11/11 sale, you can enjoy free shipping, cashback, 10% discount, and maraming bundle deals. For this baked spaghetti, ang dami kong magagamit na spices from Spiced Up. Cook the noodles and reserve some pasta water. Crisp up the ground pork or beef, then saute onions and garlic. Para may veggies naman ang ating spaghetti, I like adding chopped carrots and bell peppers. Para mas malasa ang ating spaghetti, lagyan natin ng smoked paprika, basil, and oregano from Spice Up. Lutuin natin sa pan para mas aromatic. Add your spaghetti sauce. This one is sweet blend kasi mas preferred ng kids ko. Black pepper and the reserved pasta water. Konting cheese para mas yummy and let it simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes before adding the noodles. Mix well and make sure it's even before transferring your spaghetti in a baking dish. For our white sauce, melt some butter in a pan, add 4 tablespoons of plain flour, mix until it becomes like parang paste, and add your milk. In my case, I use 1 cup of cream. Add lots of cheese and mix until the sauce becomes smooth. Put on top of your spaghetti and spread natin para lahat ng parts may white sauce. I like adding more cheese on top, pwede ring mozzarella, grated parmesan cheese, and dried parsley on top. Bake it in the oven for 15 minutes. Gusto namin yung toasty yung cheese on top. Enjoy this hot, cheesy, and delicious baked spaghetti pagkatapos nyo mag-shop this 11/11.